Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtap, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the Mint newspaper headlines. So, first of all, why we need to take the new data will seriously. Next, pick your spurs. Then we comes to page number 4 in that life beyond the US technology layoffs. Then next on page number 5 or 6 in that SC spikes FRL pleased to terminate arbitrations. Union budget may roll out rupees 10,000 crore PLI for chemicals. Next, Goldman TVS Capital may lead rupees 150 million round in insurance देखो. Next, Next, Adani Enterprises I follow on issue share sales to rise up to $2.4 billion. Next, Supreme Court to set up a special bench to hear tax matters. Next, OECD sees high interest rates, inflation slowing world growth. Next, decline in incorporation of firms signal slumps in entrepreneurship. Then we comes to the page number 7 in that Vedanta announces third dividend of financial year 23 at rupees 17.5 per share. Next, NCLAT stays CCI's rupees 169 crore penalties on OYO. Next, center may provide additional fund for rural schemes. Next, labor minister labor ministry summons Amazon India on latest firings. Next, Ministers panel may recommended 28% GST on online gaming. Next, antitrust case filed against Dr. Reddy Laboratories in US. Next, new SC bench on tax cases from new next week. Next, Australian Parliament okays interim trade pact with India. Next, Russia offer tech for nuclear fuel cycle. Next, standard gas based plan to ease crisis. Next, India look to boost trade with Southeast Asia using river network. Then we comes to page number 8 in that Meta killed plans for homegrown VR fitness app. FTS stays in suit. Next, Bharti Airtel Nextra starts work on hyperscale data center. Next, Elon Musk says no more layoff Twitter Blue to return. Next, 4 out of 10 techies in India prefer moonlighting report. Next, India is next big opportunity for South Korea KB investment. Next, Bazi parent plans $15 billion ad spending. Next, Rebel food loss expense 55% has higher cost offset revenue surge. Next, Zipto does not see profit soon. Next, Adverb to open second robot factory in 3 months. Next, why is it so difficult to get 5G network on your smartphone? Then we comes to the page number 11 in that margin shine aside IT faces cloudly forecast. Next, China leads global equity public offer volume this year. Next, UK government borrows less than expected in October, worse to come. Next, Biocon investors await smooth integration execution of Vastari deal. Next, Nykaa CFO resigns, Lighthouse sells stake. Next, number of women on boards rising. Next, SEBI to issue SOP on new promoter exemption for IPO bound CEOs. Next, Paytm slips 11% on Mercury, risk alert on Reliance Financial foray. Then we comes to page number 12 in that ATL attempt to rise terrific spells good news for telcos. Next, rising growth concerns take toll on company registration. Next, Telecos wants rupees 32,000 crore input tax credit back. Next, financial sector wants tax changes. Agree body 6 scheme review. Next, Jet Airways Bank guaranteed in focus has tribunal weightage airline revival plans. Next, rising growth concern take tolls on company registration. It's I am reading sorry that heading I am reading again. Sorry. Financial sector wants tax changes. Everybody 6 schemes review. Then we comes to page number. It's also and I am reading again. Then we comes to the page number 13. On that transition we see launches fund for green firms. Next, telcos 6 level playing field with web messaging services. Next, price ceiling relief for pay TV channels. Next, India to become $40 trillion economy by 2047 says Ambani. Next, petrochemical PLI likely in budget. Next, SC spikes FRL please to stop attribution. Next, insurance deco to rise funds. Next, World's most crucial fuel heads for shortage, localized outage. Then we comes to page number 14 in that Bira 91 rises $70 billion funds. Next, domestic air traffic rises 10% in October. Next, India to see strong revenues, Moody's. Next, Saudi Arabia beats Lionel Messi's Argentina 2-1 at World Cup. Next, solar gears maker to bid for government aid. Next, Adani Enterprises I follow on issue shares sell to rises up to $2.4 billion. Next, AWS to invest $4.4 billion in India. Next, PM gives letter to 71,000 new recruiters. Next, NBFC assets base scales past to rupees 54 trillion. Next Tara to build data center in Kolkata. Next, man account for 71% suicides in India. Then we comes to page number 15 in that China said to fine Ant Group over $1 billion, signaling revamp nears end. Next, top buyout firms in race for data center firm Global Switch. Next, Gazprom says Ukraine diverting gas supply strengthen cuts. Next, Penguin Random House, Simon and Sculpture scraps $2.2 billion merger deal. Next, high interest rates, inflation to slow world growth, says OECD. Then we comes to page number 16 in that how COVID helped it's this Mumbai couple rent their dream house. Next, how much a house cost in Chennai. Next, why is ESOP taxation unfair to the employees and need to be reviewed. Then we comes to page number 17 in that deja vu over the story of a calamity for told. Next, Twitter folding its wings would not necessarily be a bad outcome. Then next, our data protection bill got more flack than its deserve. Then we comes to page number 18 in that deglobalization poses a climate threat that demands attention. Next, regional inspected politics may rattle the economy of Malaysia. Next, ours is the fastest growing major economy. How come? Then we comes to page number 19 in that Sarth Kamal, the jewel in India's sporting crown. Next, and how Novak Djokovic ended the year top of the pile. Next, FIFA World Cup, it's Luis Van Gaal final. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.